From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Brian Mastro. Thank you for joining us here on CNET. Let's take a look at your State College area forecast. We'll start off with the weather headlines that we're tracking for this weekend. We will have some rain showers work their way into our area tonight, with the potential for some snow showers potentially in some portions of our area as well. And then we'll have some more snow in the form of some lake effect snow showers on Sunday. And then there will be some cold air arriving this weekend as well. So what are we actually looking at right now outside? Right now at Beaver Stadium, we do have some high clouds building in our area with that temperature coming in at 37 degrees, which that does sound a little bit chilly, but it's much warmer than we were just the past couple of days. If you remember on Tuesday, we only had a high in the lower 20s. So we are significantly warmer than we were just a couple of days ago. And then looking around the center region, it's more of the same. It's that above average temperatures right now. We have 49 degrees down in Altoona, 39 in Bellefonte, 42 in Selinsgrove, and then 41 up in Williamsport. Then looking at the rest of Pennsylvania, it's more of the same, more of that above average temperatures for this time of year, especially down in Philadelphia, where they're coming in at 52 degrees, then also 48 degrees in Pittsburgh and 49 degrees in Erie. So it is pretty warm considering it is mid-January right now in Pennsylvania. However, that won't be sticking around, as coming in the latter half of this weekend, the cold air is coming back. Now here is the radar and satellite across Pennsylvania right now. It's mostly just some high clouds building across Pennsylvania, with some rain showers beginning to work their way into Maryland, and those will soon be pushing into the southern portions of Pennsylvania as well. Then as we get the eye on the future going, those rain showers do work their way into Pennsylvania. Around 2 a.m., we're expecting much of Pennsylvania to be having some rainfall at that time. And then as this does continue, like I mentioned, there is the possibility for some snow showers to be mixing in some areas as well. So you can't rule out the possibility for a few flakes here in State College as well. And then as this continues, a slight chance for some of those to be lingering around during the day on Saturday. But then on Sunday, we get much more of a chance as some of those lake effect snow showers will be impacting portions of Pennsylvania. We're not expecting anything too significant, just a coating on some surfaces. And then as this does continue, that will clear out a bit on Monday, but notice those temperatures are pretty chilly as we get into the day on Monday. 19 degrees here Monday morning. So what are we actually looking at for your forecast? Well, for tonight, we're expecting an overnight low of around 35 degrees, with those rain showers pushing their way into our area this evening and into the early overnight and morning hours, with a few flakes mixing in some portions of the state as well. And then going into your day tomorrow, those rain and snow showers will be sticking around at least in the morning. As we get later into the day, those will be beginning to clear out and leave us with mostly cloudy skies. But notice that the overnight low is only 35 and the high is 37. So it's not going to be getting warmer during the day tomorrow, only a little bit. So the cold air is already arriving into your day tomorrow. And then once we get into the latter portions of the weekend, it'll be getting even colder. And as we go into our 7-day forecast, you see by Sunday, it's already down below freezing for your high, down to 30 degrees. And then for your Martin Luther King Day holiday on Monday, we're only going to have a high of around 20 degrees. So it's going to be pretty hard to enjoy any outdoor activities, unless if you want to go skiing on Monday. And then going into your day on Tuesday, it's going to remain pretty chilly, as we'll only have a high of around 21 degrees. And then those low temperatures as well, 10 degrees from Monday into Tuesday, and then 11 from Tuesday into Wednesday. And finally on Wednesday, it'll begin to warm up a little bit, and I use the term warm up very loosely there, as we'll still only be at 26 degrees. And then maybe by Friday we can crack 30 again, but we'll see when we get there. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Brian Mastro. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.